Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope that your week has been good thus far. Mine has been busy, tiring but busy as usual at this time of year. Today I have this gorgeous two-colored Watermarble Wednesdays post to share with you. I absolutely love how the white and the gray play and mix with each other. If you'd like to see how this look came about, keep on watching. As is the usual with any nail art that I do in terms of water marbling or gradients, I'll be going in and using two thin coats of Hansen's Xtreme Wear White on. To help speed up the drying process of my base color, I'll be going in and applying one thin coat of Girly Bits Water Rush Top Coat, which will help prep the nail for the water marble nail art. To help protect my cuticles and so that I don't get nail polish all around it, which will make cleanup a hassle, I'll be going in and using Girly Bits Border Patrol Latex Barrier. For the water marble, I'll be using this really cute cup that's attached to the Glamor mat by TwinkledT, Hansen Xtreme Wear Heavy Metal, and my favorite water marbling tool by What's Up Nails Pure Color number 7. What I'm going to do is I'll be alternating the colors between the gray and the white polish and basically trying to make the bullseye as centered as possible. And there's no wrong or right when you do this. You could do as many droplets as you like. I do enough so that the outer rings, since they dry fastest, I have enough time to do my design starting from one of the inner rings. For the design, I'll be starting at the third most inner ring because remember when I said the outer rings are usually the driest? Well, those two first rings were already super dry, and if I had attempted to do my design from the first ring, it would have pulled the entire water marble base. And now that I've gone ahead and gotten my finger all cleaned up, I'll be applying one final coat of Girly Bits Water Rush Top Coat. And that's it for this week's Watermarble Wednesdays, guys. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. I love how the gray and the white actually make it look like I've used 3 colors when in reality I've only used 2. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And as always, I will have the products that I used in the box down below. Feel free to leave any questions and or comments and I'll make sure to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for staying tuned and stay glamorous.